Hey filmmakers, how would you like to learn how to make beautiful cinematic wedding films like this?
And then sell those skills to your ideal clients and create a six-figure wedding business in a short space of time.
Hi there, my name is Howard Wing. I'm a professional award-winning wedding entertainer and business coach. And this is my nephew, Adam Wing, who is also an award-winning wedding filmmaker. And between the two of us, we would like to invite you to attend a very special webinar that go over all the techniques and strategies that we use to help us become six-figure wedding entrepreneurs. Right now, the wedding industry is about to explode, with 2021 and 2022 are predicted to be some of the biggest wedding years we'll see.
That's why right now is the perfect time to take advantage of this booming industry. Hone your filmmaking skills, perfect that product and package it and deliver it to your ideal client so that you can make a full-time living doing something that you absolutely love to do. This webinar is going to be an immersive hour of easy to consume strategies that we've put together to help you become a full-time wedding professional. All the filmmaking techniques and tips that you're going to need to make amazing cinematic wedding films.
And we're also going to be talking all about the business side of things, how to attract your ideal client, what to do with inquiries, how to present yourself in the best way possible to put the odds in your favor of getting those bookings at the prices that you deserve. So guys, we're really excited to get going and share this content with you. So please click the link, it's below or somewhere on this video, and choose a time that's suitable for you, and we'll see you on the other side.
See you there, can't wait.